Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, there's a button in here that you can press right now. I would really appreciate that, by the way. As you probably noticed, my face has zero makeup except for my brows because today we're gonna be creating another exciting makeup look, and actually there's a brand new item I'm gonna be testing out, and this is actually the company that I recently just found out about them and I absolutely love the products I tried by them so far. I tried the lippy and the eyeliner, stamp eyeliner. I'm gonna try to link the videos in there so you guys can check it out. So the company is called Lottie London and apparently is a cruelty-free company. It's approved by PETA. So the item I'm gonna be testing out today is the Eiffel metallic eyeshadow topper in the color Fire. This item caught my eye and I was like, I really wanna try this out. So as you can see, this is brand new. We're gonna test it out together and see if it's any good. But so far, honestly, I've been really impressed by this company as it's super affordable. This eyeshadow topper costs $5 or even under $5. So far, color looks amazing. It kind of reminds me of mermaid or unicorn, more of a mermaid because it's blue tones and purplish tones and like pinkish tones. Like, I'll just watch. Look at that, guys. Oh my freaking goodness. I can just imagine how it's gonna look on the eyelid. Color reflection. It's kind of holographic. But it says this is an eyeshadow topper. It means we're gonna apply some eyeshadow to begin. So I think we should start and prime eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer and set it with powder. By the way, ignore my 2 pieces of eyelash extensions that is left. I had it for more than 2.5 months now and it's still a few holding on, although I try to remove them. So I'm taking some setting powder. I'm just gonna set this. So because we have like a purplish and pinkish and blue tones in this, I'm thinking maybe to go with a Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I'm gonna go with this color on my outer and inner corners of my eye. So I'm just taking a brush and I'm gonna add this darker color as well, and I'm just gonna blend nicely all together. So I'm taking a brush and I'm gonna go with this color in here as my transition color, and when I say that I mean higher than my creases. Just blending the colors nicely together. Back in a little bit on my inner and outer corner as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of this color as well on inner and outer corner. And actually in the middle where I left the lighter part, I'm gonna go with a darker, with a black one and kind of blend it through later. So I think I'm just gonna use my finger for that. So I'm not worrying much about outer corners yet as I have no foundation on. So I'm gonna tidy the ends when I'm gonna be applying foundation. But now I just cleaned off the fallouts because it was really annoying me. So I think that's a moment of truth. Let's try this on the lid. So my plan is to go in the middle of the lid. Oh! Can you see this, guys? Wow! Okay, I wasn't expecting that, because it looked so sheer on my hand, but then I didn't have any eyeshadow on, so wow. So I am going slightly bit higher than my creases because I want this to show up. I wonder how it's gonna dry on my hoods. My eyes are so hooded, so I wonder how it's gonna dry off looking, but we'll see soon, I guess. So what I started doing as it's still drying, I'm just taking on my finger more of this black color and packing it in the outer corner. Taking the small dense brush and this color in here and gonna kind of blend this part. Oh, I like it rather better like this. So you can clean up with a wet wipe as I do, or when you apply the foundation. Those fallout really annoys me, so I tidy up now. I think I'm gonna leave the eyeshadow the way it is just now to dry the foil thing, and then gonna go with the false lashes. So false lashes, I'm gonna go with the Huda Beauty in a style not L. Alright, lashes on, time to apply foundation and all. So I'm gonna start with the NYX Angel Face Primer first. By the way, this primer, if you have oily skin or big pores like I do, is a holy grail. Honestly, been loving this primer so much. It hides my pores like, yeah, couldn't recommend more. And my oily skin loves it as well. Although it doesn't state that it's for oily skin, it just says Skin Perfecting Primer. But couldn't recommend this more, guys. If you haven't tried this yet and you have oily skin and big pores like I do, go for it. Foundation, I'm gonna go with NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in color Nude. So while the foundation is setting in, I'm gonna go with a lower lash line, and for that, I think I'm just gonna go with this warmer pinkish kind of color. So I'm just concentrating in the middle of my lower lash line and then blending the color to the inner and outer corner. And then I'm taking this light kind of like a champagne color and I'm gonna go in the inner eye corners. So because we're going for glitter, I thought why not to apply more glitter and use the same company, this Lottie London, for the lips. So this one is a glitter Swish lipstick, which at first is a matte lipstick, and then it dries, it becomes a glittery one, so you'll see, guys. So this lip needs to dry before it can be revealed as a glitter. So while it's drying, we're gonna contour our face a bit. And at the moment, I'm obsessed with the e.l.f. Total Face Palette. And I'm just gonna contour my cheeks using this color in here. And the last thing is to reveal this glitter lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply a bit of a NYX Worth It Hype mascara on my lower lash line, and the makeup look will be complete. So yeah, what do you guys think of this makeup look? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And about this Lottie London Eye Foil Metallic Eyeshadow Topper in color Fire. Although I would call it a mermaid, because that reminds me of mermaid rather than the fire. But anyways, talking about this eye foil, I do like it and I don't like it, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. So it is definitely packed with a color, as you guys can see, super mega pigmented, definitely metallic foil. Yeah, it's all what it says. I don't really like that it's liquid. I mean, I rather prefer the glitter pigments or the loose glitter to pack it up, especially I would say for a hooded eyes. So if you have hooded eyes like I do, I would rather go for the, you know, glitter pigments or the loose glitter rather than the one that is with a liquid in it, because I have a hooded eyes and I can tell you that it was a bit of a struggle to apply. I don't know if you've seen this on camera, and I don't know if I filmed that part, but I was actually waiting for this liquid liquid foil thing to dry before opening my eyes. So I was sitting, you know, and fanning like this my eyelids, trying to get it dry as fast as I can, because otherwise it started to go into crease into my hood, you know, when I open my eyes. So not the best product if you have hooded eyes like I do. If you don't have hooded eyes, so you have monolid, then go for it. It's amazing. But on the other hand, it is amazing product because it's, as you guys can see, super mega pigmented. It's packed with the glitter, super affordable by the way, and the company is cruelty free. So yeah, thumbs up for that. But not the best product for hooded eyes like I do, because it takes more time. I mean, it looks totally fine now, but it takes more time to work with that. So yeah, so that's my verdict about it. I like it and I dislike it, so it's up to you if you would go and purchase that or not. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, because honestly that would mean a word to me. And I hope you guys like this makeup look. For me, it reminds a bit of mermaid vibes. I would even call this color mermaid, because look at this. And yeah, I'm gonna see you soon in my next video, so talk to you soon guys. Bye!